Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today I'm excited to share with you a peek at our hosted stay at the Little America here in Salt Lake City. I'm going to walk you into this property and show you why I love this hotel so much. It just has the best vibe to it. Elegant and yet cozy at the same time. As you can see, it has some wonderful sitting areas. It has a double-sided fireplace here that you'll often find people reading books or hanging out. There's a coffee shop on this floor. Again, elegant, but so cozy. So now I've walked up to the second floor, looking down into the lobby. I wanted to give you a peek at just the different areas that I feel like make this so special. They have a great gym, huge facility as you can see. And then this is on the second floor again, right by the gym is a huge swimming pool that's indoor outdoor with a couple hot tubs. I'm not going to go in there right now because it's packed with people, but wanted to tell you about that. Now we're down in the coffee shop, one of my favorite places in the hotel. You can see kind of the old style feel to it. And they also have an awesome menu. So wanted to mention that. Now on to our stay and a tour of our room. For this visit, we are staying in a garden premium room. So I want to give you an idea of what the garden rooms are like. In my past visits to Little America, I have stayed in the main building in the towers, and I will include a link of a room tour of a tower room so that you can see what those are like. But right now I'm going to take you in and show you what our garden premium room looks like. So we'll go in, and as you can see, these are separate buildings. There's parking out in front, and there's also even parking below, which is pretty cool. So we will go in here and give you a room tour so you can see what these rooms are like. They've kind of modeled these rooms after the theme of the main hotel. As you can see, they have an elegant touch to them, but also very comfy, cozy, kind of a vintage feel, but in a really updated way. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but it's just, these have a very unique feel. The entire property does. It's just a unique hotel property. We've always been fans of Grand America properties, and the Little America just does have this really unique vibe to it that I've mentioned over and over again because it's just hard to explain until you've been here. But here is a peek at the room, and you can see out here, each of these rooms kind of has a little balcony, and then there's out to the parking area. You can see the main building over there. So everything's really accessible and in walking distance. As you can see, this is a 2-queen room, and I'll kind of show you. It has everything that you would need. It's got your coffee machine and then a microwave, and then I like what they've done. The drawer is actually your refrigerator, so that's kind of cool. And then you also have a safe here for your valuables and whatnot. And then nice closet storage area, lots of space for things like that. Your ironing board, iron, hair dryer, lots of room for hanging things, and their bathrooms. I really like how spacious and well done their bathrooms are. Again, this is newly remodeled. I believe in 2021 they redid these. So there's a peek at the shower. Just a really great place for families. Lots of room, lots to do in this area. Kind of located in downtown Salt Lake, but we were able to go so many different places from this location. Provo, Ogden, literally so many things in this area that you can do and see. So that makes it really nice. So there's a peek at our Garden Premium 2-queen room here at the Little America in Salt Lake. Wanted to show you that. Just a cool, cozy, comfy vibe. I'm going to give you a peek of what this looks like at night out here again. The main area, I mentioned the parking that is under the rooms, which is kind of cool. And there you go. There's a peek at that. And please let me know if you have any questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.